Question number 7 is about trapezium. So its dimensions are A is equals to 4 meter, B is equals to 9 meter, and its height is equals to 4 meter. So we have to calculate its area. So formula is area of trapezium is equals to half times A plus B times H. So there is no need of these dimensions, 5 meter and 7 meter. So A is 4, B is 9, H is 4 meters. So the area of trapezium is equals to 26 meter square. Question number 8. Find the area shaded. So in this figure we have to find this yellow shaded area. This is a figure of rectangle, and in this rectangle a kite is there. So kite has two diagonals. The longer diagonal is known as B, the shorter diagonal is known as A. So B is equals to 9 centimeter, it is given, and A is equals to 4 centimeter. So this is also the length, this is also the width of this rectangle, and this 9 centimeter is also the length of rectangle, as well as this is the length of kite diagonal. Okay, so first we have to find the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is equals to length times width. Length is 9 centimeter times width is 4 centimeter. 36 centimeter square. So area of rectangle is 36 centimeter square. So now let's find the area of kite. Area of kite is equals to half times A cross B, half times product of diagonals. So diagonals lengths are A is 4 centimeter, this is A, and it is 4 centimeter, times B is, this one is B, and it is 9 centimeter. So half times 9 4s are 36, and 2 18s are 36. So it is 18 centimeter square. The area of kite is equals to 18 centimeter square. Now let's find out the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is equals to area of rectangle minus area of kite. So if you subtract area of kite from area of rectangle, it left only this yellow shaded region. So area of rectangle is 36 centimeter square minus 18 centimeter square, which is equals to 18 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is also 18 centimeter square. So there are two rectangles in this figure. Oh, there are two triangles, triangle 1 and triangle 2 in this rectangle. So dimensions are given. 3 meter, 6 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, and 7 meter. Note that these dimensions are not to scale. Okay, so we know the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle is area of triangle 1 is equals to half times base times height. So triangle 1 base, we have to calculate its base. So how to calculate its base? If this whole length is 3 plus 6 is 3 plus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. If this whole length is 9 meter, it means this length should be equal to 9 minus 7 meter. 9 minus 7 meter gives you this length, which is equals to 2 meter. So area of triangle is equals to half times base is 2 meter and the height of this triangle is 5 meter. 2 cancel with 2, so only 5 meter left. The area of triangle 1 is 5 meter square. Now calculate area of triangle 2. Area of T2 is equals to half times base times height. Half times base of this triangle is 5 meter and its height is 6 meter. 2 times 3 is 6, 5 times 3 is 15 meter square. Area of triangle 2. Okay, so we have to calculate the shaded area region. So shaded area region is shaded area of figure is equals to area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. So area of triangle 1 is 5 meter square plus area of triangle 2 is 15 meter square. They add up to 20 meter square. The shaded area of figure is 20 meter square.